Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Twilio for SMS claim updates and insurance workflows step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Twilio account. If you don't have an account, sign up at Twilio's website. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. Locate the phone numbers section. Click on Buy a number to acquire a new phone number for SMS. Select a number that supports SMS capabilities. After obtaining your number, click on it to configure settings. Scroll down to the messaging section. Find the A Message Comes In field. Input the endpoint URL where your application will handle incoming messages. Save the changes to apply your settings. Next, head to your insurance workflow application. Integrate the Twilio SDK or API into your project. Set up authentication using your Twilio account SID and auth token. Create a function to compose SMS messages for claim updates. Utilize Twilio's Message API to send SMS notifications. Format the message content to include relevant claim details. Test the SMS sending feature with a sample claim update. Check your Twilio console to confirm message delivery status. Incorporate error handling to manage any potential issues. For the final touch, update your insurance workflow to trigger SMS during key events. Ensure that the endpoint URL is properly linked to receive incoming replies if needed. Review and optimize your SMS workflow for efficiency. Conduct thorough testing to ensure everything functions as expected. Once satisfied, deploy your changes to your live environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.